Hello students, good evening to all of you. This is the question number 30 of set number 1 which was asked in the CBSE board exam 2024. So let's see the what are the questions are based on this paragraph are asked. Let's see. वैसे तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि आपको पैराग्राफ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ रीडिंग द पैराग्राफ, यू हैव डायरेक्टली गिव द आंसर. सो लेट्स सी. These are the some questions which are asked. This question I will do in the question paper because the answer is very short. So let's see what is the function of salt bridge. As we know that there are the two functions basically. There are many more are there, but simply there are the two functions. One is the answer of this question, that is the what are the function of salt bridges. It completes the circuit. And second function, it maintains electrical neutrality. It maintains electrical neutrality in both the solution. दोनों सेल के सोल्यूशन में क्या करता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी को मेंटेन करेगा, सर्किट को कंप्लीट करता है. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन डज गैल्वेनिक सेल बिहेव लाइक इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हेन एक्सटर्नल ग्रेटर देन 1.10 वोल्ट. एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल जो अप्लाई करेंगे वो क्या हो, एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल ग्रेटर हो 1.10 वोल्ट से. दिस इज द 1.10, दिस इज द सेल पोटेंशियल ऑफ गैल्वेनिक सेल. नेक्स्ट, कैन कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशंस स्टोर इन द जिंक पॉट. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज नो, वी कैन नॉट स्टोर द कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इन अ जिंक पॉट बिकॉज जिंक के बर्तन में हम कॉपर सल्फेट के सोल्यूशन को नहीं स्टोर कर सकते हैं. क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ जिंक is more reactive than copper. So Zn will react with the CuSO4 and will form ZnSO4 and Cu will be replaced. So here displacement reaction will be take place and you have to give the answer based on the E cell. So E cell will be external electrode potential of the cell, that is the electrode potential of the copper 3,4 minus electrode potential of zinc. So it will be 1.10 volt. 1.10. Based on this you have to give the answer. Students, I check the answer sheet of the board exam 2024. So if you return only the no, you will get the only, because this question carrying the 2 marks. This question carrying the 2 marks. If you are writing only the 2, if you are writing only no, you will get the 1 marks. No need to explain. But if you are not going to calculate the EMF of the cell, electrode potential of the external electrode potential of the cell, that is 1.10. Based on this you have to explain. This is also the correct explanation, but based on this you have to explain. It means that the electrode potential of the cell is positive. It means that zinc will displace the copper sulfate, but more appropriate answer is zinc is more reactive than copper, just because of the zinc having the electrode potential of the minus 0.76. As we know that negative electrode potential means that it is more reactive. Okay, copper is the less reactive, having the positive electrode potential. Now this is the OR part. OR part of this C question is given, that is the how much charge in terms of Faraday required for following. First part, 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 Mn2. So MnO4 2 minus will convert into the Mn2 plus. Here the charge is 7 positive. Here the 7 positive charge and here 2 positive. So here 5 unit more charge there, 5 electron. So here Q equal to 5. Q equal to NF, that is Q equal to 5F. So this is the first part, this will require 5 Faraday charge. Q equal to 5F, 5 Faraday charge. Now the H2O, 2 moles of H2O will decompose in the 2H2 plus O2. Here the oxidation state of the hydrogen 0, here is the plus 1. 2 2 ja, here 1 hydrogen having the 0 positive charge, and here 2 2 ja 4 hydrogen having the, basically they having the 2 2 ja 4. 1 hydrogen having the 1 plus charge, means that it is gain 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen, how much they will gain the electron? So 4 electron will be there. So but in the question it is asked that is a for 1 mole, that it means that H2O plus 2 electrons form H2 plus half O2. So here Q equal to NF, that is Q equal to 2 Faraday charge. So answer of the second is the 1 mole of H2O to convert into the O2, it required 2 Faraday charge, and 1 mole of the MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus it required 5 Faraday charge. 1 mole of H2O में 2 Faraday charge की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी और 1 mole of H2O में 5 Faraday. So this is the answer of the question. Hope you got the